Hi guys, my name is Eva and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook salmon, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, add me to your Instagram account for more recipes and cooking with my cats. Let's get started, you guys. So first of all, you will need a salmon. As you can see here, I have a fillet. Then what you will do is you will poke with the knife little cuts in the salmon to make sure the fish is gonna be cooked well. Then I use this basil pesto from Costco. You will need like 1 to 2 spoons of this pesto. You don't need to use pesto if you don't want to. You can also use just olive oil and some salt and pepper, but I love salmon with pesto lately, so I'm obsessed with it. Let me know, guys, if you tried this recipe and if you liked it. It's very easy to do. So I'm spreading it all over the salmon piece and make sure everything is covered. You don't need extra oil because the pesto is already filled with oil in it. I highly recommend this pesto, by the way. It's very delicious. Then I'm gonna use crushed red peppers. You don't need to do this if you do not like spicy food. I love spicy food, so yes. Then I'm gonna put my salmon piece in the air fryer. And no, I did not warm up the air fryer. Make sure it's in the middle, centered, the salmon piece. And then I put it in the air fryer. Then you put it on 370 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes you will come again and check your air fryer, the salmon of course, to see if it's well done. I always like to poke it in the middle to make sure if it's well done. My salmon was frozen before, so it didn't cook all the way through, so now I'm just checking again, and I'm gonna just warm up the salmon for another 5 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, guys, and turn it on again. And then after the 5 minutes of cooking, the salmon was done. As you can see, nice and crispy. So here you can see the salmon. It's ready, nice and crispy outside and juicy inside. Okay, this is pretty much it. It's very quick dinner and it's very healthy. You can eat it with rice, with veggies on the side. And let me know if you made it and if you like my recipe. Follow me on Instagram for more recipes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.